Hi everyone, it's Jeff here from Avada with an Avada short. In this video I will take a look at how to use the Avada Time Field Element. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click the bell icon to be notified of all new content. Okay, let's begin. In a different video I looked at a related form element, the Date Field Element. See the link below for that video. I have that form open here, and in this video we will look at configuring the Time Field Element. The element starts with the field label and field name options. Here I will just call this time, and the field name auto-populates. Just like with the date field, I will leave the required field option at no. In the placeholder text I will add please select a time, and again I will add some further information into the tooltip text field. We can see that if we mouse over the question mark. The next option is custom picker. This is a lightweight custom date picker, and here you determine where it's used. By default it's on always, but you can set it to desktop only or to never to use the browser native date picker. I'll just leave this on always. The next option is clock type, and here I will leave it on 12-hour. For the input field icon, I will search for a clock and choose this one. Tab index comes next. In general you won't need this in a form as the elements will just get focus in DOM order. But you can use this to add a positive value to create a custom order or a negative value to remove an element from the tabbing sequence. After this comes the usual CSS class and CSS ID fields for adding a class or ID to the element for further customization with CSS. Okay, that's it. There is of course the conditionals tab where you can add conditional logic to the element, but let's keep this simple. Let's save our form and head to the page where it's displayed and refresh. And here's our form. I can just click on the field, just not on the icon, and a time selector appears, and I can use the arrows to choose my time. I can also just paste in a time if I prefer. Okay, that's it for this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to keep up with all the latest videos, and if you have any questions or need assistance, please create a support ticket and our team will gladly assist you. As always, we want to thank you for choosing Avada.